Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna walk you through how you can save and run a program in Python. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to do it in the Notepad. Now, if you want, you can use Visual Studio Code or maybe an online compiler. Doesn't really matters. Alright, so here I'm going to create a program, and this program will print the subscribe text. Now, in order to save the program, you're gonna click on File and click on Save. It will ask you where you want to save this text file, but we have to make this file as a Python file. So first of all, you have to change the file type to all files and just name the file. And so I'm gonna write hello, and in the end you have to just write the extension of Python, which is .py. And once you write .py, the file will be converted into a Python file. So here you can see we have hello.py, which is our Python file. Now, in order to run this file, all you need to do, you're gonna open up your command prompt. I'm gonna go to the directory where my file is, and right here you have to run this file by just typing Python and your file name, and it will print your text. So guys, this is basically how you can save and run a program in Python. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.